Hey guys, car came in today. It's missing a snorkel piece. This piece right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. Believe it or not, I was driving it today, didn't realize it was missing, but I opened the hood and it's missing. And it does make a big difference to not have this on there. I don't know why the car has just bogged out or something. So I'll show you guys how to put it in. This opening slides in like this. Well, hell, it almost fell in. And you got these two clips. They're specific to just these two. No other clip on the car is similar to this. So if you lose these, you're kind of screwed unless you want to just put whatever else you want in there. You know, one there and one here. That's it. There's not much more to put on the car. I don't see anything out of the ordinary.